Quick announcement before we share the grace. On the 2nd of September 2018, the Nigeria Kids Fair and Expo will be doing their Kids City experience at Continental Hotel, Victoria Island, Lagos. From infants to teenagers at prices that will make you smile. The admission is free, but the church will be paying the transport of our children from here to Lagos to go shop, learn and play. Brother Solomon, the offering given to you last Sunday to keep was for the transportation of our children from here to Lagos.
Take for the abortion. Come on, the pikin.
Oh my God.
Please, you cannot bring the money.
Jesus is Lord.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.